don't always see the night. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Alright, so before we even get this video started, I just want to preface this by saying that this video did get recorded like a week or two ago, so it might be delayed in time. It was before the new year, so I just want to go ahead and take some time out to say I want to thank each and every one of you guys who support the channel. Seriously, 2018 was an amazing year simply because of you guys. Like, if it wasn't for you guys, my channel wouldn't be where it is, and I feel like I wouldn't be where I am mentally. I don't even know how to explain it, but you guys do mean the world to me. I want to thank each and every one of you who come back to the channel, leave a like, leave a comment, who just say anything positive. It definitely does mean a lot, honestly. Like, I feel like I couldn't drop a video in 2018, even if it was a pre-recorded one, without adding a clip of gratitude for you guys, man. 2019, we're gonna grind it out. Hopefully everything that you guys want to achieve this year is possible. All I know is that if you do want to achieve something, man, go ahead and go for it. I'm doing a lot of things that I wish I would have been doing. There's a lot of things that we want to get done and we just never step forward and actually go for it, man. I feel like 2018 was a rebuilding year for me. This year, I just want to move forward with everything that I feel like I even want to do and just go ahead and dive in, man. I don't want to waste any time this year, and I just feel like I wanted to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate each and every one of you. This shit is crazy, honestly, and we're gonna grind it out. This year, we have to reach 50K. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but we gotta do it, man. You gotta set goals in order to achieve them. So 50K, bruh, it's coming home this year. Like, it has to. I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna pull it off, but we're gonna pull it off some way, somehow, man. But let's get straight into this video. Well, into that video. It's kind of edited already, so it's just kind of like, I gotta put it together, know what I mean? Hey yo, what is good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. I know by the title of this one, y'all like, yo, he done gave up on Supreme, he's gonna quit or whatever, but not really, man. I'm gonna just be selling some Supreme today. I got a couple pieces that I ordered online, some pieces from my collection. I'm gonna include one Palace tee, just some different things that I want to get rid of, and I feel like the best way to do it is by opening an Instagram. So I'm gonna make an Instagram. The name is gonna be right here. It's either Astro Corner, Astro Bodega, or Astro Shop. It's gonna be one of those three names. It's gonna be right here. Go follow that Instagram page. That's where I'm gonna be selling a lot of my stuff from here on out. I got some Supreme stickers that I'm gonna be selling as well. Just a lot of things, so I don't really want to waste too much time. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave it a like down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and if you do end up enjoying this type of content, there's gonna be more sales down the line as well. Without any further ado, man, let's get straight into this video. So like I said before, there's gonna be some pieces in this video that I'm gonna be selling from my personal collection. The first piece is gonna be this Sansferg shirt right here. I'm gonna decide to let this go. I probably wore this like 2 to 3 times. It's in really good condition, like no wear on it, no damage at all. This is a size XL. I'm trying to get one of the more simplistic ones, and this one's just a little bit too much for me. I'm gonna have the price for the pieces down here somewhere, just so you guys know. Obviously, you can hit me up and we could talk or whatever, but now let's get into the second piece, which is also some old Supreme that I bought. I got this like a while back when I first got into it, and it's this piece right here. It's like a ARC logo long sleeve. It's striped as well. Yeah, you guys can see it right there. It's like microscopic lines or whatever, but it's sick. This is a size medium. This is honestly a sick piece, especially for like the winter time and stuff like that. Springtime, you can never go wrong with lines, especially when it's simple like this. Next up, we do got this Rap-A-Lot Records tee right here. This is the blue with the gray on it. It's like that metallic type feel on it. Got that Rap-A-Lot Records, Supreme, and the advisory logo at the bottom. This is a size medium as well. Next up, we do got one from the personal. I'm gonna have to be letting one of these go. When I went for these, I ended up with 2, and I'm gonna let one go, but I honestly wasn't trying to let it go to StockX, so I'd rather sell it to one of you guys. But these right here, these are a 10.5. I got the personal pair as well, so I'm gooch, but these could go, honestly. I don't really double up on sneakers, but these are honestly fire. Love this pair of sneakers. This is iconic, bro. Like, if you're into sneakers, you know about the Concord 11. Like, I don't know, bro. They put the 45 on the back, Jumpman, the higher patent leather. I love the sneaker, honestly, but I don't need 2 for the personal. Like, I'm gooch with one of these. So these are gonna have to be let go. This is a size 10.5, by the way, so one of y'all want that. We also do have a Sade tee. Got the To Supreme on the top right there. Got Sade. Then you got like a little quote or whatever down there. This is a size large, if I'm not mistaken. This shit is fire. Like, this tee right here is hard. You can't go wrong with it. And I feel like in one of these simple colorways, it's just a simple tee. Like, it's fire. And for a good price, come on, bro. But this is a size large. That's also gonna be in that sale. So next up, we got this X-Ray Supreme tee right here. I love this one because of the graphic at the bottom. This shit is hard too. Like, this one is a size medium. Super clean. The condition on this one is great as well. Damn, I didn't bring up the condition on none of those. I'm gonna probably put the condition right on top of the price or under it, I guess. Got the X-Ray Supreme tee, gray and a medium. This is gonna be up there as well. We got an MLK tee for sale. This is a size medium. This one's pretty cool. I have this in the personal collection as well, but I'm gonna be selling this one. I honestly like it, but I never wear mine either. I don't know why, but I just have it and I think it's cool, but I just don't wear it. Don't let the dream die. That's facts though. Yo, I got hella gray tees for sale. That's what I just noticed. But we got this gray bloom tee right here, I think it's called. There's Supreme branding on the inside right there. Once again, this is another like simple piece you could just freak with a little bit of color on it. This is a size XL, I think. Yup. All these things that I've mentioned are gonna be for sale, but this is another hard one right here for the XL boys. To me, we got a fire piece right here. Got the Supreme. I don't even know what this is called, but it is a jersey. This is hard, bro. Got that 19 on the back, Supreme on the front. This is an XL, but this one's fire, bro. That's all embroidered on the front, all the embroidery on the back. This is one of the pieces that you could get from the aftermarket for less than retail. It's just clean. Like, I like the vibe on this one. This one gives me a vintage vibe. I actually like this one. So next up, we got this Vnds tee right here. I'm gonna be letting this go as well. I actually really do like this piece. I like the fact that they did some stuff on the back as well. Says Supreme right there. Made possible with your support. It's just the extra touch right there, but this is really clean. I do like it actually. So what I noticed is I got medium, large, XL. I did pretty good for the first sale. This is not gonna be like a major sale or anything, but if it goes well, I might start dropping more stuff in the near future. So this was the last piece that I had for you guys. I do also have some stickers that I'm gonna be getting rid of. I am actually gonna be selling this piece right here as well. We got the flags tee. This is actually hard. This is embroidered right here, size large with it. I love this rib collar. This is just a fire piece in my opinion. I was really debating selling this. Like, I recorded a piece of me holding this shit up like, damn, should I sell it? But I probably cut it out the video, but I am gonna be selling this. Screw it, because I feel like y'all would actually wear this. I've had this for a minute and never actually wore it. I don't know why. Got that Supreme right there. Super clean, bro. Y'all could go ahead and scoop this up as well. So I don't know how these prices go for stickers. I'm gonna think about it and put it right there, I guess. But we got this MLK pin. I'm gonna be selling 2 of these MLK strips of stickers. We got the MLK big sticker. We got some poppy seeds for sale. We got the group sticker, Scarface sticker, Public Enemy, Ganesh sticker, the Mona Lisa sticker, the chicken dinner sticker. These next few for my people who like the different stickers. I don't like these, honestly. That's the only reason I'm letting them go. Hey, if you like these, you could cop them, I guess. These 2 right here, Chihuahua tripping. We got the Rubber Johnny or whatever. These are next level. And then we got a bunch of Nan golden stickers. These are 2 a piece, so come grab them. I'm gonna sell all these stickers as well. If you want a bundle, just hit me up and we could possibly work something out. But I think that's everything I'm gonna be selling. There will be more sales in the near future. Hopefully you guys do enjoy. Go ahead and check out that Instagram right there if you want to go ahead and buy anything. Everything is gonna be basically sold through PayPal, so that's how we're gonna do it. But that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did end up enjoying, go ahead and leave a like down below. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you want to see more sales in the upcoming future, go ahead and let me know as well. What sizes would you like to see? What colors, tees, bags? Just let me know. But go ahead and follow Astro something, whatever's up here, if you do want to buy any of these pieces that I mentioned to you guys. And with all that out the way, man, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. But yeah, we out, bro.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.